Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of YouTube automation and how you can start your very own business in this thriving niche. If you've ever dreamed of generating passive income while creating engaging content, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore what YouTube automation is all about, from understanding the basics to uncovering the tools and strategies that can help you succeed. We'll discuss how to streamline your content creation process, optimize your channel for growth, and even leverage analytics to maximize your reach. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to kickstart your YouTube automation journey. So, whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, get ready to unlock the potential of a YouTube automation business that can work for you, even while you sleep. Let's jump right in and discover how you can turn your passion into profit. Understanding YouTube automation. YouTube automation refers to the process of streamlining and optimizing various aspects of managing a YouTube channel, allowing creators to focus on content quality while minimizing manual tasks. At its core, YouTube automation includes tools and strategies for video creation, scheduling, SEO optimization, and audience engagement. By automating these components, creators can save time and enhance productivity, making it easier to maintain a consistent posting schedule. The benefits of automating content creation and management are significant. Not only does it free up valuable time for creators to brainstorm new ideas and improve their craft, but it also helps in reaching a wider audience through optimized content. As digital content consumption continues to grow, the trend of automation is becoming increasingly popular among creators looking to scale their efforts. Embracing YouTube automation can lead to higher engagement rates, increased subscriber counts, and ultimately, a more successful channel. It's a game changer in the ever-evolving landscape of online content. Identifying your niche. Choosing the right niche for your YouTube automation business is a crucial step toward success. Start by exploring your interests and areas of expertise. What topics are you passionate about? What skills do you possess that can add value to your content? Aligning your niche with your interests will not only keep you motivated but also resonate with your audience. Next, it's essential to research trending topics and audience demand. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube search suggestions, and social media platforms to identify what viewers are currently interested in. This research will help you understand the competition and find gaps in the market that you can fill. Finally, emphasize the importance of selecting a profitable niche. While passion is vital, ensuring that your chosen niche has the potential for monetization is equally important. Look for niches that attract advertisers and have a dedicated audience willing to engage with your content. By carefully selecting your niche, you set the foundation for a thriving YouTube automation business. Setting up your channel. Creating a YouTube channel is the first step in your automation journey, and it all begins with setting up a Google account. If you don't have one yet, simply visit the Google account creation page, fill in your details, and follow the prompts. Once your Google account is ready, head over to YouTube and click on the user icon in the top right corner. From there, select your channel and follow the instructions to create your new channel. Next, it's time to optimize your channel branding. Choose a memorable channel name that reflects your niche, and create an eye-catching logo and banner. Don't forget to write a compelling channel description that clearly outlines what viewers can expect from your content. Finally, consistency is key to growing your audience. Encourage viewers to create a content schedule, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, to keep their channel active and engaging. A well-planned schedule helps build anticipation and keeps subscribers coming back for more. Content creation strategies. Creating automated content doesn't have to be overwhelming, especially with the right tools at your disposal. Platforms like Canva and InVideo are excellent for video creation and editing, allowing you to design visually appealing graphics and assemble videos effortlessly. These tools offer templates and features that can significantly speed up your content production process. Another crucial aspect of effective content creation is scripting and voiceovers. A well-crafted script ensures that your videos are coherent and engaging, while a professional voiceover can elevate the overall quality. Consider using text-to-speech software or hiring voiceover artists to add a polished touch to your videos. Lastly, don't underestimate the role of SEO in your video titles and descriptions. Incorporating relevant keywords can help your content rank higher in search results, making it easier for potential viewers to discover your videos. By focusing on these strategies, you can create automated content that not only captivates your audience but also drives traffic to your channel. Monetization options. When it comes to monetizing your YouTube automation business, there are several lucrative avenues to explore. First, consider the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to earn ad revenue once you meet the eligibility requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. This program can provide a steady income stream as your channel grows. In addition to ad revenue, affiliate marketing is a powerful way to monetize your content. By promoting products or services relevant to your niche, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Sponsorship opportunities also abound, as brands are often eager to collaborate with channels that align with their target audience. Lastly, don't overlook the potential for selling digital products or services. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content, offering your own products can significantly boost your income. By diversifying your monetization strategies, you can create a sustainable and profitable YouTube automation business. Promoting your channel. Effectively promoting your YouTube channel is essential for growth and visibility. One of the best ways to reach a wider audience is by leveraging social media platforms. Share your videos on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok to attract viewers from different demographics. Tailor your posts to each platform to maximize engagement and encourage shares. Engaging with your audience is another crucial aspect of promotion. Respond to comments on your videos and foster a sense of community. When viewers feel valued and connected, they are more likely to subscribe and share your content with others. Additionally, consider collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche for cross-promotion. Partnering with creators who have a similar audience can introduce your channel to new viewers and enhance your credibility. Whether it's through guest appearances, shout-outs, or joint projects, collaborations can significantly boost your channel's visibility. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively promote your YouTube channel and accelerate your growth. Analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing your channel's performance is vital for growth and success. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that provides insights into key metrics such as watch time, views, audience retention, and demographics. Familiarizing yourself with these metrics will help you understand what content resonates with your audience and where improvements can be made. Encourage regular reviews of your video performance and audience engagement. Look for patterns in which videos perform best and analyze viewer feedback in the comments. This information can guide your content creation process and help you tailor your videos to meet audience preferences. Moreover, adapting your strategies based on analytics is crucial. If certain topics or formats yield higher engagement, consider producing more content in those areas. Conversely, if some videos underperform, take the time to analyze why and adjust your approach accordingly. By consistently monitoring your performance and being willing to adapt, you can enhance your channel's growth and ensure long-term success. Scaling your business. As your YouTube automation business grows, implementing effective strategies for scaling is essential. One powerful approach is outsourcing content creation. By hiring freelancers or using content creation services, you can free up your time to focus on strategy and growth while ensuring a steady flow of high-quality videos. This allows you to maintain consistency without sacrificing quality. Another important strategy is diversifying your content types and platforms. Experiment with different formats, such as tutorials, vlogs, or live streams, to engage a broader audience. Additionally, consider expanding your presence to other platforms like TikTok or Instagram, where you can repurpose your content and reach new viewers. Finally, encourage continuous learning and adaptation to trends. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and staying updated on the latest trends, tools, and audience preferences is crucial for sustained growth. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and engage with other creators to keep your skills sharp. By embracing these strategies, you can effectively scale your YouTube automation business and maximize its potential. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to starting a successful YouTube automation business. We began by discussing the importance of identifying your niche and setting up your channel effectively. Then, we delved into content creation strategies, highlighting tools for video production and the significance of SEO. We also covered various monetization options, including the YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. As we wrap up, it's clear that the potential for success and growth in the YouTube automation field is immense. With dedication, creativity, and the right strategies, you can build a thriving channel that generates passive income. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to take action. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, like this video to show your support, and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Together, let's embark on this exciting journey, and I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.